Little Grandson Air Show. It's midday. You agree?
Safety first. It's the little grandson way.
Fortune favours the irresponsible. Tip top, perfect. Nothing can go
Right, that's
wrong.
not what everyone else said.
Nothing can go wrong.
Look at that sock. Horizontal and wiggling around. Head your helmet's back to front. Wow, that was a lot stronger than I thought. Here goes Lee. So as you can see, you're all pretty nervous. Winds are 12, gusting 15, but we eventually got airborne and flew into Little Granston Air and Car Show 2023. Great event. If you've not been, highly recommend it. And it was really fun to just kind of show off a little bit and fly in. Mission accomplished.
Actually, it was alright, wasn't it?
It was- No turtles in a high wind. It's good. Oh, thanks. Yeah.